What makes Carter Drive special?
When homes come up on Carter Drive, people pay attention.
25 years ago, people moved here and stayed.
And now, a new generation has a chance to call it home.
A house designed for real life.
Ready when everyone shows up.
Room to gather.
Room to spread out.
And room to slow down.
When it's time to get away from it all,
There's space for that too.
with room for family, guests, work, whatever comes next.
A home built for everyday moments and lifelong memories.
We're Ed Johnston and John Lynch with Dwell 360.
Come see why people love living on Carter Drive.